Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can pin YouTube to your taskbar on Windows 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my computer with Windows 11, and first of all we need to go to the Microsoft Edge application. This one guys, open up your Edge and then you can go to the youtube.com. Okay, here I have opened YouTube and I'm going to pin this YouTube to my taskbar. If we want to do that, we can click on these three dots and then we're going to go to the more tools and select pin to taskbar. Okay, and we'll get this question guys and then just click on yes. Alright, and now as you can see guys that the YouTube has been pinned to my taskbar. So anytime I want to open up the YouTube, I just need to click on this YouTube icon on my taskbar. Okay, now it's done. Okay guys, and that's all the way to pin YouTube to taskbar on Windows 11. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.